Alright, so he wrecked. In the rear end. We got the win. Even though the wind light didn't come on, but he is okay. My dad is okay. They did not hit. It was just I think they could have been way worse than it was. So very, very fortunate both drivers okay. I think I heard something for sure. But yeah. So crazy. It got sketchy on the big end. We had him by about half car, so he just barely didn't get hit. But other guy could have been way worse. It just really bent the rear end opposite side. But car's good. His is just a little bit scraped up. Not too bad, thankfully. So both are okay. My dad is okay and he is okay. But that could have been way worse. But we ended up getting the win. Really close. Really close call, really close race. But both drivers are okay, thankfully. We'll get back to the video in just a second, but first I'd like to thank the sponsor of this video, ONSITE Landscape Supply. ONSITE Landscape Supply is veteran owned and operated, located in Goldsboro, North Carolina. Plants, fountains, your landscaping needs, they can deliver from Raleigh to the East Coast. So give them a call at 919-584-3478. That is 919-584-3478. Check out their Facebook, ONSITE Landscape Supply, or go to their website, www.onsitesupplync.com, to check out for more information. So for all your landscaping needs, ONSITE Landscape Supply is the place. So go check them out, and thank you for sponsoring this video.